premium tools and services. Untorch. This is a fully automated referral program for email signups. Untorch will allow you to create a reward for those who share, push, and forward your content to others, unleashing a new layer of interactivity with consumers. All you have to do is copy and paste the Untorch widget onto your website. Untorch creates email capture forms, provides each sign-up with a unique URL to share, keeps track of referrals, and follows up through emails, notifying you every time that someone signs up through your link. It will also provide you with emails and referral info. Untorch is priced at $199 per campaign per year, with no hidden fees. You'll be paying for the service as a whole and not per email, enabling you to go viral by collecting as many leads as you are able to. You can try it before you buy it by creating a campaign and testing the Untorch widget on your site today. What's trending? What's Trending is a home for all of what is trending on the internet on any given day. You can visit this site to learn what is trending now and what is worth featuring on your viral website to keep your visitors in the know while generating more high-quality traffic. What's Trending covers the most viral and shareable content across the World Wide Web. Buzzsumo. Buzzsumo is a platform that is perfect for analyzing what kind of content performs best for any topic or competitor. What it basically means is that by using it, you'll be able to define which topics are related to your business that are getting the most attention. Buzzsumo offers a visually simple yet powerful interface that you can use to quickly identify the content that is working within a given niche or audience. By simply introducing a keyword or set of keywords, you'll be able to see which social platforms like your search terms and the number of times they have been shared within a certain period of time. It is also great for monitoring your competition. It is priced at $99 for the Pro plan, $299 for the Agency plan, and $699 for the Enterprise plan. You can start your free trial today and see how it works for yourself. Tout. Tout is a tool that focuses on video sharing, currently powering video content on over 2,800 websites, with an audience of over 46 million unique viewers monthly, helping publishers, content creators, and advertisers generate revenue through its sophisticated technology. Tout allows you to create short 15-second videos that can be shared as status updates on social media platforms. The objective of this tool is to make a huge impact through easy-to-digest and to-the-point videos, which work better than long videos for viral marketing campaigns. It has a premium video marketplace, and it scans and analyzes text-based articles to help you identify contextually relevant videos. You can request a demo and see how you can implement it in your campaigns. Viral Content Buzz. Viral Content Buzz is a free social media promotional tool that helps you drive content awareness by sharing it with eager social media influencers, potentially increasing traffic for your content by a whopping 200%. Specifically, your Twitter username will get retweeted a lot by the hour, making you build up your following and your site's authority. Promotion on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and StumbleUpon comes for free, and you'll be able to generate real social buzz for your best content, get real viral content buzz testimonials, and get rewarded for sharing your content with others. You just need to register or sign up with Facebook or Twitter to start using it today. Google Trends. Google Trends is a great tool when you want to take a more in-depth look at trending matters. You'll be able to gauge statistical and graphical insights on data collected for trending topics and search such data by categories that go from business to sports and filter your results by country. You can take a look at the stories trending now to get inspiration and see the most recent trending keywords related to recent events and news. You can enter a keyword and get insights like interest on such keywords over time, regions most interested in the keyword, and the topics related to it. The Google Trends tool is great for assessing how viral content evolves over time and what is potentially viral right now. To use the Google Trends tool, you'll only need to have a Google account. Similarweb. Similarweb is a service that will allow you to take a peek at your competition and see which viral website is getting the most traffic. You can see which social networks are giving them the most traffic and what their referral sources are. Knowing which ones are the most popular is useful because you can go to their sites and see what they do well to attract such amounts of traffic. Then you can adopt similar strategies for your own viral site. Canva. Canva is a free tool that has become popular on the merits of letting marketers go wild on their designs with ease. It will enable you to create beautiful designs and documents for your viral website or social media profiles with its intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. Credit goes to Canva because, true to the nature of viral marketing, it will enable you to create stunning designs that you can adapt to your campaign. Trend Hunter. Trend Hunter is the most popular trend community in the world. Trend Hunter inspires industry professionals, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the insatiably curious to go beyond their reach. They leverage big data and award-winning methods to accelerate the release of potentially viral content because it predicts, monitors, and validates consumer insight on any topic. Coschedule Headline Analyzer. The Coschedule Headline Analyzer has been created to score the overall quality of your headlines. Simply enter your headlines in the text box and click on Analyze Now to see how well your headlines will do when it comes to social sharing, traffic, and SEO value. You can use it for free for 14 days and then sign up for any of their plans. Readability Checker. TheWriter.com has assumed the mission of rescuing the corporate world from linguistic mediocrity. They have created the Readability Checker to test how readable your content is. Simply enter your content in the text box and click the Check My Readability button to see how well your content scores.